Good afternoon and welcome to you all in the post results call. Today we have declared our quarterly results for the quarter ended June 23. Net profit of the bank is up by 41% on a YOY basis and reached at a level of 1,709 crore in June 23 vis-a-vis 1,213 crore in June 22. So there's a growth of 41%. The profit before tax is increased by 78% and reached to 2,394 crore in June 23 versus 1,345 crore in June 22. Operating profit of the bank has grown by 16% and reached to 4,135 crore is against 3,564 crore in June 22. This profit is on the support of growth in net interest income NII, which has increased by 26% and reached to 5,703 crore from 4,534 crore year ago. Besides growth in NII, the fee-based income has also grown by 7% and reached to 671 crore. The cost-income ratio, which was 44, bank could maintain at 44.22 in June 23. The margins. Domestic NIP improved to 3.61% in June 23 vis-a-vis 3.1% a year ago. In view of better profitability, the return on asset ROA improved to 0.95% in June 23 is against 0.73% in June 22. The ROE, return on equity, has also increased and close to 18%, 17.88 to be precise, from 14% last year. The total business of the bank grown by 9% and crossed the mark of 11 lakh crore in June 23 from 10.09 lakh crore. The growth in business is backed by growth in advances. The advances has grown by 13% and reached to close to 4.80 lakh crore in June 23 is against 4.25 lakh crore in June 22. The 13% advance is on the back of growth of same 13% in RAM sector. But in RAM sector, our retail credit has grown by 16%, agriculture has grown by 16%, and MSME has grown by 7%. So bank is able to maintain 61% RAM share in the total advances. The retail advances of 16% grown on the back of housing loan growth of 14%, auto loan growth of 29%, and personal loan growth of 52%. The deposit has grown by 6% on a YOY basis and reached to 6.22 lakh crore. CASA deposit has a growth of 5% and stood at 2.50 lakh crore in June 23, and the CASA share is 40+%. Asset quality. As you are observing that continuously our asset quality is improving. GNPA decreased by 266 bips on YOY to 5.47% from 8.13% in June 22. Likewise, the net NPA, NNPA has reduced to 0.7% is against 1.42% in June 22. The provision coverage ratio of the bank improved by 702 basis points and reached to 95.1% from 88% a year ago. Capital adequacy ratio stood at 15.78%, of which CET is 12.31 and Tier 1 is 12.88. This is the comparison of June 23 vis-a-vis June 22. If you see sequentially, March versus June. So sequentially also, the net profit has grown by 18%. Net profit in the last quarter was, March quarter was 1,447, now it is 1,709. The profit before tax has also grown by 65% vis-a-vis last quarter. Last quarter it was 1,452 and in the June quarter it is 2,394. Likewise, the operating profit also grown to 4,135 as against 4,016 crores. Same way, the NII has also grown to 5,703 as against 5,508. ROA improved to 13 bips on a sequential basis. Return on equity improved by 240 bips on a sequential basis. Cost income ratio improved by 225 bips on a sequential basis. So from the result you will find that bank is continuously growing in all segment. You see in the last quarter we have grown 13% in the retail, this time we have grown by 16%. We have maintained the growth of 16% of agriculture last quarter and this quarter as well. We have maintained the growth of 12% of corporate credit last quarter and this quarter also. So bank is growing in a balanced way in all parameters. At the same rate it was last year, last quarter. Likewise in deposit also, last quarter we grown by 6%, this quarter also by 6%. But profitability and all parameters have improved a lot. So you say our profit before tax has improved more than the profit after tax, because last year we were having some carry forward loss benefits of amalgamation. This year, since entire benefit we availed up to last quarter, from last 3 years we were availing. Now there is no tax benefit available. As a result, the profit after tax has grown by 41% as against 78% in the profit before tax. And this entire profit is on the back of NII growth and other income growth. And you see our gross and net NPA. The net NPA, which was 0.9% in March, has become a 0.7%. Sequentially, it has come down. Likewise, gross NPA, which was 5.95, has become 5.47. Likewise, the provision coverage ratio, which was 93.8, is now 95.13. So all parameters, bank is improving quarter after quarter. Oh, we are doing lot of things on digitization. My colleague, Mr. Bajaj, who is in charge of our technology as well as liability, he will take you to the presentation how we are moving on a technology. As far as network is concerned, we are having close to 5,800 branches. And we last year we opened around 87 branches. This year we have added around close to 50 BCs and around 10-11 branches. Now I request Bajaj Saab to take us to digitization, because bank is doing a lot of things on digitization.
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, friends from the press and media. As our MD sir told, the bank has started the digital transformation journey. We started this journey in the month of April 22 with the launch of One Journey PAPL, pre-approved personal loan. If you really see the last year, the YOY, if you see, we did 147 crore in the June quarter, and this year we have done 9,179 crore business. With One Journey, we have covered 36 journey till date in the across retail, MSME and agriculture, apart from the liability and third-party products. And this year, last year we completed 25 journeys, and this year in the first quarter we have already done 11 journeys, and we expect that during the current quarter we will be doing another 13 journeys. And if we see the last year, our total business was through digital 5,640 crore, and this year in the quarter one itself we have crossed 9,000 crore business. And in the PAPL side, last YOY if we see, it is 129, and this quarter we have done 724 crore business. And on the other side, because certain journeys we started in the almost in the second quarter or third quarter of last year. So I'm comparing sequentially basis. So if we really see the e-term deposit with a liability business for us, we did 1,524 crore. And this year, first quarter, we have done 60% increase. Same way, loan against deposit has grown by 182%. Jewel loan, which we started almost in the third or fourth quarter last year, and we could do only 57 crore business. And this year, it is 4,755 crore. So almost 200 crore per day we are doing on the jewel loan. Then MSME also from 55 crore, it has gone to 732 crore. KCC renewal, we did 95 crore of renewals in the last quarter of financial year of 23. This year in the quarter one itself, we have done 220 crore, which is almost 131 crore of increase. If I show you the quarter on quarter, the growth even retail, agri, MSME and liability business, we started our journey with 147 crore in one quarter, and now we are doing almost 9,179. During the last press meet, we were told that we will be growing 5 to 6 times. So it is already, we are growing 7 to 8 times. And as I was telling, the journeys started in April. In first quarter last year, April to September 22, we completed 6 journeys. October to December 22, we did 6 journeys. Jan to March 23, 13. So entire year it was 25. And this year up to June, we did 11. And up to September, we are targeting another 13 journeys. So with that, we'll have almost 25 plus 11, 36 plus 13, 49 journeys. So on the other business from the digital channels, almost now 85% business is being done through the digital channels. Q1, June 22, it was 78%, now it is 85%. Even on the account opening, liability business also, apart from e-term deposits, we are now opening the account through paperless, either through tab or within the branch also we are having the total digital journey where there is no paper required. And if you see the last year, it was 3.52 crore. We did 3.52 lakhs customers were onboarded through digital channels. And this year, first quarter itself is 5.5, which is almost YOY is 56% growth, and 68% of the customers are onboarded through digital channels. And we are targeting it should go to at almost 80%. If I show you the other channels, on the mobile banking side, we grew by almost 39%, 39% from 96 lakhs to 1 crore 31 lakhs, and we are targeting during this financial year 2 crore of the mobile bank user. On the transaction also in the mobile banking have gone up by 18%. It is 1 crore 17 lakhs to 1 crore 38 lakhs. As far as the users on the UPI have gone up by 33% from 107 to 142 lakhs. Same way the transaction have also gone up by another 85%. And the net banking side, the users from 70 to 87 lakhs, which is another 25% growth, YOY growth. FASTag 3.61 to 5.71, which is YOY 58%. Debit card grown by 17%. Credit card, though it's only 9%, we are taking various measures and partnership, and we hope to grow the credit card business also. Certain new initiatives have been taken by the bank, like we have started the electronic bank guarantee during this financial years. Even for the locker users, where now RBI have come up with the new locker agreement, which it was difficult for the customer to reach out physically to the branch. We have done the e-stamping, which is sitting at home also. The customers can do the digital signatures. And API on the Jan Suraksha and online submission of stock statement for our borrowers. And we have even created a portal for the death claim settlement through the bank's website. Customer need not come to the branch for doing this, claiming the death claim. They can apply online, and it will be settled only one time. He need to come for bringing the physical documents. And in same way, the payment of compensation to the customer on the banking ombudsman. Last time also we told the digital lending platform we have already onboarded, where we have already completed 36 journeys and 13 on the offering. Same with omni-channel, during this quarter, we are going to launch for at least the closed user group, the new omni-channel app, which will be internet banking and mobile banking. And after doing successful testing in couple of months, we'll be launching it, we'll be taking it to the customers also. Other capability I was telling them last time also we explained about the middleware and the cloud technology. We are onboarding the private as well as the public cloud. Certain applications have gone like smart offices on the public cloud and the private cloud. We are one of the first bank to go on the private cloud. And when we are growing in the technology, then there is a huge requirement for spending on the cyber security. We are taking the latest approach and going ahead with the latest the technology so that our customers and the bank is safe. And the another thing, on the data analytics, we have created Analytics Center of Excellence, and we are onboarding our the customer relation management. Already RFP is out, and we are in the process of onboarding the vendor. Same way, the cash management service RFP is out, and we are in the process of onboarding the customer, the vendors. And we have created the position of the general managers who will be who are taking care of fintech and government partnerships. During the last quarter, we did a couple of partnerships like signing the MOU with NSDL, then DRDA, and then NSC for ETDR. So with that, thank you very much for
Subscribe to Walgan Television.
Please subscribe Walgan Television.